You may believe affection or rejection comes from another, but I tell you, it is only the outpicturing of your self-concept. Every glance, every word, every silence in relationship is nothing but yourself pushed out. Therefore, I will not hand you answers, but place questions before you, that you may see whether you dwell as one already loved and connected, or as one still pleading to be chosen and seen. For no man, no woman, no friend can give you what you refuse to claim in yourself. For the world answers the concept you hold of you. The morning reveals your self-concept. Let me ask you, when you opened your eyes, did you rise as one already loved or as one forgotten? Was your first thought, I am chosen, or I am passed by? Did you begin today as desired or as rejected? Your speech proclaims the state you live from. So I ask you, in your conversations, were your words the strength of one secure in love, or the plea of one uncertain? Did you speak as joined, or as cast out? In your tone, did you stand certain or wavering? Your reactions uncover the concept you hold. I put it to you, when faced with indifference, did you accept it as fact or as shadow? Did you respond with fear or with the knowing you were loved? Did silence from another defeat you or affirm your strength? Conflict displays the ground you stand on. Do you not see, when disagreement came, did you rest in trust or in suspicion? When the bond was tested, did you fall or remain? In disappointment, did you accuse another or turn to your own stance? Your inner talk is your hidden union. Think with me, when alone, did that unseen voice affirm, I am cherished, or declare, I am abandoned? Did you replay neglect or replay devotion? Did you commune with yourself as secure or as doubtful? Life yields only what you return to. I press you, today did you return to the state of being already chosen, or did you drift again into waiting and longing? Before sleep, will you return once more to the concept of being already loved? Tonight you set the mask you wear tomorrow. I demand of you as you lie down, are you the beloved or the forsaken? Do you close this day as companion or as outcast? Which self will you carry into your dreams, the honored or the ignored?